Watermelon red flakes. There you go, right there. Okay, so this is the way I rig this thing. Texas rig. I'm using, I always like to peg the bullet weight. That way I don't get hang up or something. So that's the way I rig it. I normally use trapper hooks, but I don't have one. But I'm using a wide gap mustard hook. So there it is, right there. That's the way I rig it. Go right in the middle of the worm, and then just make sure you measure where you're gonna put your hook in there. Pretty much right there. And there it is. The good thing about the jump dingers is they have this little slot for the hook to not be exposed and make it weedless. So there it is, that slot right there. So my hook is right in center with that worm in that slot, so it stays right there. The only thing I do is just put it a little bit there, is the way to penetrate the little hook inside of the worm. And there it is. Let's see if we can catch something on it. It's really greasy and salty. A little bit of salt, they don't put too much, but there you go. Let's try it out and see if it works. Let's see how much okay. Got a little one. I didn't felt this little one right here. The jump dinger, there it goes. That's a baby bass right there. On this spot, on that rig, and that setup jump dinger, Texas rig. Let's see if we can catch another one. That's a nice bass, beautiful bass. This water is freaking clear, guys. So this water is freaking clear. Let's see if I can. Y'all can see the bottom of it. It's really, really clear. Got one. A little one, but still. Texas rig, new spot. The water is freaking clear, guys. And the Texas rig, there it goes, same size as the other one. Same size, little one. Catching dinks over here. God damn, that worm's still falling. There it is. Drop it. All the way to the bottom. I don't know, probably like 10 feet down there plus. Oh, got him right at the edge. That's a nice bass. I saw that one coming all the way over here, getting it. Oh man, oh my god, it was about to go away. That's a nice, beautiful bass right there, guys. And that jump dinger Texas rig, look, that water is freaking clear, and he came out of those that weed right there. I saw that one, I was like, what? I was like, what? Oh my god, this is unbelievable. Nice, that's a nice bass. Probably pre-spawn or something, I guess. Finally paid off. I'm over here doing some Texas rig. I was doing a bass fishing. There it is, the jump dinger. The jump dinger. Woohoo! That's a nice bass right there. He hit right off the edge. I saw that bass coming out of the weeds, and there it is, beautiful bass. Beautiful bass right there, guys. Beautiful. Nice, beautiful bass. The Texas rig. There it is. Woo-hoo. Nice, beautiful bass. Let's get this guy released. It's freaking clear. The water's freaking clear. I saw this guy coming out of the weeds, and I was like, god damn.